Hi, it's Jeanne. I'm going to make a smoothie recipe today. And this one is really, really good because it has a secret ingredient that can help with constipation. And let me just start off with that ingredient. It's kiwis. So actual studies have shown that 2 kiwi fruits a day can help aid getting rid of constipation as well as, or better than, a lot of medications, including supplements. So I'm going to find or give you an easy way to get some kiwis in your diet every day. Okay, so start off with 2 peeled kiwis. Ingredients can vary every day. I like greens, so baby spinach, fresh, or baby kale, or regular kale. So that's about a leaf of kale, probably a little bit more, but it's a good handful, at least a cup. Flavor and texture, I'm going to add some banana. It's a greenish banana. It's not fully ripe, so those with IBS can tolerate it because it'll be lower in FODMAP. And that is not even quite a full banana. And then strawberries, we're limited to just over 2 ounces of strawberry to keep it low FODMAP, and that's what I wanted to do. So strawberries are going to add flavor and juice and vitamin C and fiber, among other things. Okay, normally I would put in some flaxseed next because that helps constipation as well, and I would only do about a teaspoon to start off, and then as your body gets used to the flax, go up. I do not have flaxseed, and I went to one store and they didn't have it either. So I'm substituting chia seeds. So that is about a tablespoon of chia seeds. Next, I am adding flaxseed oil. Okay, so flaxseed oil, that is the main product that you get from flax seeds. And if you use the flax seeds instead of the chia, make sure they're ground up because our body cannot digest the flax seeds whole. Okay, so the flaxseed oil is going to give you a lot of good nutrition, a lot of omega-3 fatty acids. It's great for heart health and preventing cancer. There was a lot of stuff going on about flaxseed oil. And then next, I'm going to put in vanilla just because I think this is going to need some flavor. And then this always helps with texture, and that is ice cubes. Oh yeah, and then also be liberal with your cinnamon. I like to add a lot of cinnamon, so just sprinkle it in there. You can add half a teaspoon. You can do whatever you want. Okay, and feel free to change up the fruits in this, and you can change the veggies depending on what you tolerate and what you like. But anyway, I'm going to blend this. So I'm going to pause the video while it's blending. Okay, so it's all smoothied out. It's blended now. I'm going to try this because I have never had these exact ingredients together. And that's the beauty of smoothies. You can switch it up every single day, add different flavorings, add different fruits. And also, this is going to be great for constipation, as I said, but it's also great if you have gastroparesis, which is slow gastric or stomach emptying, because the blender did all the work that your stomach has to do. So this may help foods leave your stomach sooner, giving you a less full feeling. All right, I'm going to try it. I'll let you know how it is. And if it doesn't come out as like nice as I want it to, then I'm going to give you the written recipe, slightly different. Oh, it's good. We don't need to change a thing. This is great. All right, well, I hope you try it, and I hope you mix up your ingredients as you wish.